Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can open snaps on Snapchat web. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for web.snapchat.com. You will be redirected to this page. Now sign into your Snapchat account and you will be redirected to this web page. Now you can see that there is a mobile phone in front of you. If you click on the camera icon, you will be able to take snaps on your PC and then send it to other people. But if you open the target chat and try to view their snaps, you can see that it is currently impossible to view them on web. You can try using mobile emulator softwares, but on a web browser, you won't be able to access them. So that's basically how you can open snaps on Snapchat web. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.